Would you like to become a millionaire? Many people in life wish that they could make more money, but they simply do not devote the time, effort, and energy into becoming rich and liberated. Welcome to Rich Liberation, because in today's video, we are going to get you thinking about how to earn more money. We are going to teach you the fundamental steps throughout this video and throughout several videos on this channel so that you can turn your dreams into your reality. That is why it's very important for you to like this video now, subscribe to this channel now, and come back often as we're going to build upon the lessons that you learn. You're going to learn more and more each and every video. You see, success leaves clues, and successful people develop great habits, and they're constantly learning and growing. And that's exactly why we created this channel for you. Now let's talk about earning more money. First, we need to really peel back the layers of that onion and understand at its deepest core what really is money. Many people will say things like, oh, it's a medium of exchange, or a medium of account, or it's a tool used for transacting. And all of those have its time and place and are certainly acceptable answers, but I'm talking about deep down. What really is money? If you think about it, money is nothing more than an idea backed by confidence. Let me say that again. It's an idea backed by confidence. Let me give you an example. Not too long ago, I was at a sales and marketing event in Orlando, Florida, and the guest speaker came up on stage, and he was a very successful businessman. He owned and operated several multi-million-dollar businesses throughout the globe. He got up and he started to talk about how he managed his time and how he was able to not only acquire these companies and create several companies and create multiple millions of dollars in his life and enhance his net worth. And he explained how he was able to do that in intricate detail. And near the end of his talk, he stood up and he asked the audience members, and there was probably about 1,000 people in the room, and he said, who would like to know exactly how I manage my energy and manage my time and create the habits and structure things in my day-to-day life and business? Who would like to learn how to do that? And of course, everyone in the audience put their hand up. And then he said, okay. Well, for those of you that are serious about learning these skills, please go to the back of the room and purchase a CD where I will teach you exactly what to do. So of course, everyone flocked to the back of the room, probably about 500 or so people in line waiting to buy this CD that was going to enhance their lives. And at the end of it, everyone sat down and he shouted out to his assistant in the back of the room, and he said, hey, we'll call her Susie for now. Hey, Susie, remind me when I get back to the office to create this CD so we can send it out to everyone that bought. You see, there's the difference. A lot of people have this amazing idea and don't do anything with it. Some people have an amazing idea and put all their money into the idea. They open the business, they put down money for the lease, they buy the new signs, they pay for the inventory, and they don't know if their business plan will work. Well, this gentleman just sold a ton of CDs that he hadn't even created. You see, he simply had the idea, he put it out to the audience, he put it out to the people that he served, he put it out to his marketplace, and he got a response. And based on that response alone is when he decided to create the CD, the video, the education, the training. He didn't invest any time, effort, or money to do it in advance. It was only after he collected several $1,000s for this information that he put in the effort. So you see, he had an idea backed by confidence. Notice I didn't say he used a ton of money to earn more money. He simply had an idea, and he was confident that he could deliver on that idea. And so therefore, when he delivered value to the marketplace, he earned more money. He added revenue streams to his already successful multi-million-dollar empire. You see, the more you serve, the more money you earn. The bigger the problems that you can solve, the more money you will earn. If you focus on serving a marketplace, if you focus on solving other people's problems, and you simply have ideas and back them up with confidence, you will become a millionaire, and most likely a multi-millionaire. Now, I have a question for you. I want you to grab a pen and a paper, or perhaps just respond and answer this question in the comment section below. If you were not earning the money that you desire and need, what role did you play in that? What is it in your life that you are either doing or not doing? What fears are you allowing to hold you back? I want you to take a moment right now and think about that and answer that question in the comment section below. Next, the victim lets life happen to them. The victor knows that life happens for them. I'd suggest that you do not have a money problem, you have a habit problem. Next question. When in your past are you allowing the old habits to hold you back from achieving your financial goals? Be truthful with yourself. Have you developed old habits that are simply holding you back? Well, sure, they're comfortable, they're familiar. That's exactly what the comfort zone was designed for. It was designed to keep you exactly where you are, so you're stuck, you can never grow. You see, one of the secrets to success is you have to be pushing your comfort zone. You have to constantly be willing to step outside it, to take a chance. That's how you grow, that's how you learn. And every failure is an opportunity to learn and grow. It's an opportunity for you to become better. Now, at this point in the video, I'd like to point out a key distinction between the difference in the way poor people think or middle class people think and the way that rich, successful multi-millionaires think. You see, most people think, oh, I can't afford this, or I can't afford that, it's just simply out of my budget. Successful people think, how can I afford this? Major difference in the way those two people think. And even better yet, the millionaires, the multi-millionaires of the world, the really wealthy, they think, how can this earn me more money and serve more people? So you see, the major difference is the poor and the middle class think they can't afford it. Well, the ultra successful, the millionaires, not only know they can afford it, but they're thinking, how can that purchase earn them more money and serve more people? That's the difference. So again, I want this channel to be about education and learning and growth. So I want you to take a moment right now and smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. And in addition to that, I want you to think of at least 12 different things, or more if possible, but at least 12 different things that you can do today to earn more money. Could you start your own YouTube channel? Could you go into your attic or basement and take all that junk that's sitting around collecting dust and list it on eBay or in the classifieds and sell that stuff? Could you have a yard sale and sell that stuff? What is it that you can do? There's many things that you could do right now, starting today, that would help you earn more money and would set you on a path towards becoming a millionaire. That's all for today's video. Until next time, stay rich, stay liberated, because we believe in you.